drop, Noah. David's putting on his seatbelt now.
Yeah. Can we open the window? Turn down the AC, man. I'd rather sweat and live. I'd rather be hot and alive.
You ready? Let's go!
I am in Bangkok. My second favorite lounge in the world, and one of my favorite airports. Anyway, I watched Infinity War just before heading out to the airport, and I'm sort of traumatized, shell-shocked, because over the past 10 years watching all the MCU movies, just got connected and fell in love with the stories. And man, it was shocking. So let me know what you think of the movie whenever you watch it. And I spent most of the car ride over to the airport Googling and reading up on all of the news I could get on what part 2 is going to be about. But great movie, enjoyed it thoroughly. For the post-credit scene.
Yo, what's up? Today we flew from Singapore to Bali early morning. And then we went the night before, night flight. Where was that? Oh yeah, right. Bangkok to Singapore. So, I saw a pretty good movie. About John Paul Getty, or J. Paul Getty. Is it John Paul Getty? I recommend that. And then I rewatched Star Wars. Anyway, but before that, the same day I rewatched Star Wars on the flight, we went early to see Avengers, which was awesome. It was almost 3 hours, it felt like. Yeah, 3 hours. 3 hours of sitting there in the theater. totally unexpected for me because I'm not a comic book reader. And but I like the movies. Love the storytelling. Anyway, the ending was totally unexpected for me. So then I was obsessed for the next 6 to 12 hours looking up everything I could on like all the geek fandom stuff. So that was interesting. Learned a lot. Captain Marvel's coming out soon. Looking forward to that. Had no idea until today or yesterday. Anyway, sunset. It's gonna last for like 10 more minutes. The problem with staying this far out, right on the cliff, is that the roads here are really tiny, like lane. So if another car or bike is coming, somebody's going to have to move over to the curb, and a bunch of there's like a bunch of these parts of the roads. There's a straight drop off, so it's kind of dangerous. Anyway, we got to find some dinner, but we didn't think that far ahead, so. We have kitchen staff, but it's very basic. So we didn't get the food. So we're gonna have to go out and find a restaurant or supermarket or something. But we're really at the tippy tip of Bali. So you can hear the cows. Can you hear the cows? Can you hear cows? Oh, they stopped moving. They were moving earlier, but they ain't moving no more. Oh, maybe there are a few cows right next to us. I thought if we get really desperate, you know, get cows. You can pick flowers right here, like just like this. Goodbye.